How do you handle a firearm safely? Stick around and I'll answer that important question on today's Q&A. Well, it's important to remember that all guns are always loaded. The second thing is to never point a gun at anything that you are not willing to destroy. The third thing is to keep your finger off the trigger until you are actually ready to fire. And lastly, know your target and what's beyond it. Now, those are the 4 cardinal rules of firearm safety. If you remember them and understand them, you will always handle a firearm safely. Until next time, remember, no one cares like we do, and I will see you guys in the next video.